And now we're joined from Paris by Majid Bouden, international law professor from Paris. A very warm welcome, sir. Professor Majid, the UN Commission of Inquiry concluded that Israel is committing genocide in Gaza. How significant is this finding in shaping international legal and diplomatic responses amidst the current escalation in the attacks on Gaza City?
First of all, the UN Commission did not have an opinion.
Did not, I beg your pardon, sir,
did not make an opinion or handed down an opinion. It has made a fact-finding. And this fact-finding has established that there are facts which are described as
genocides and ethnic cleansing and atrocities?
Yes, and this is the legal qualification that the UN Commission has made. It means that the facts are there, the facts are not challenged and not unchallengeable. There is a finding there, and the finding was qualified under international law by being acts of genocide. So this matter is of high importance on the basis of international law, because it will give an evidence to pursue cases, to pursue recourses before the International Court of Justice and the International Criminal Court. So this is why it's very important. It's not sufficient for the time being, and a lot of reports are now issued by different organizations, and these organizations are ruled by very strict rules. And these rules, they impose on these organizations to check the facts and to give the evidence before giving any statement.
Mr. Bouden, do you see anything of all you mentioned now about restrictions and justice and ICC? Do you see that all of this is stopping Israel from the genocides and atrocities and the ethnic cleansing that's taking place now at this point in Gaza City and people in the streets? And the killings of children, women, and civilians and babies?
It's a fact that the Israeli army and the Netanyahu government are not stopping their aggression and the genocide acts, and this is climbing to a crime against humanity. So this is a fact. But Netanyahu, if he doesn't stop, it doesn't mean that the international law is weak. It means that he is violating international law, which is another crime. And it means the international community must bear its own responsibility. And the international community and all states are liable now because they have seen that there is a crime. They have seen the facts and they have seen the qualification. And they cannot say, we did not know. They cannot say, we did not see. They cannot say, we did not hear about. And this is why these reports are important. Now, what to do with these reports? We have to establish this equation. What if there was not these reports? If there is no these kind of reports, and if we don't have the advisory opinion of the International Court of Justice, then we could have the opinion of Netanyahu against the opinions of others, and will be in a fight of opinions. This is not possible anymore with these reports and with the International Court of Justice decisions of 2024. It means that the facts are established, the crime is there, the crime established. Now we have the international community must do something, and they have the tools, they have power, the authority to stop this genocide. If they don't stop it, each state will be responsible for that.